Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. Let's take a deeper look at this very common driving situation. When you are driving behind another vehicle, your safety depends not only on your own actions, but also on the behavior of the driver in front of you. Vehicles that make frequent stops create a special risk because their movement is irregular and unpredictable. Examples of vehicles that stop often include school buses, city buses, taxis and rideshare cars, delivery and service vehicles, garbage trucks. These vehicles may stop suddenly, sometimes without much warning, which increases the danger for drivers who follow too closely. Question: when you are following a vehicle that makes frequent stops, you should allow than usual. Possible answers. Answer 1, a smaller following distance. Answer 2, more space on your left. Answer 3, less space on your right. Answer 4, a greater following distance. Correct answer, answer 4, a greater following distance. Why this is the correct answer. 1. Sudden and unexpected stops. Vehicles that stop often may brake without advance warning at locations you do not expect for reasons you cannot see. If you are too close, you may not have enough time to react, especially if you are distracted or traffic is heavy. A greater following distance gives you extra time to notice brake lights, move your foot from the accelerator to the brake, apply the brakes smoothly and safely. 2. Increased reaction. Reaction time is the time between seeing a danger, responding by braking or steering. Even an alert driver needs about 1 second to react. At higher speeds, 1 second means your vehicle travels a long distance before you even touch the brakes. More space means more time to react, which can prevent crashes. 3. Better control in poor conditions. If road conditions are not ideal, such as rain, snow, ice, gravel, night driving, stopping distance increases. Following a vehicle that stops often in these conditions is especially dangerous unless you increase your distance. 4. Reduced risk of rear-end collisions. Rear-end collisions are one of the most common types of accidents, and they often happen because drivers follow too closely. Increasing your following distance is one of the simplest and most effective ways to prevent them. Why the other answers are wrong: a smaller following distance. This leaves no margin for error. Any sudden stop could lead to an immediate collision. More space on your left side space can be helpful, but it does not replace the need for enough space in front of you. Less space on your right. Reducing side space limits your escape options and increases danger. Recommended driving practice. Normally, drivers are taught to follow the 2-second rule. When following a vehicle that stops frequently, you should increase to 3, 4, or even 5 seconds. Be ready to brake at any moment. Stay focused and avoid distractions. Key safety principle. Unpredictable vehicles require extra space. The more unpredictable the vehicle in front of you, the more distance you should allow. Final answer: a greater following distance. This choice provides the best protection, improves reaction time, and greatly reduces the risk of an accident. Now let's look at the next situation. Your vehicle's tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road. Because of this, tire condition, especially proper balance and correct air pressure, plays a critical role in safety, handling, braking, and overall vehicle performance. Many drivers underestimate how much unbalanced tires or low tire pressure can affect their vehicle. These issues may not seem serious at first, but over time they can lead to costly repairs and unsafe driving conditions. Question: unbalanced tires or low tire pressures can cause. Answer choices. Answer 1, faster tire wear. Answer 2, decreased stopping distance. Answer 3, increased fuel economy. Answer 4, all of the above. Correct answer. Answer 1, faster tire wear. Detailed explanation. When tires are unbalanced or underinflated, they do not make even contact with the road surface. This causes certain areas of the tire to wear down more quickly than others. How this happens? Unbalanced tires vibrate and wear unevenly. Low tire pressure causes the edges of the tire to wear faster. The tire's tread does not wear evenly across the surface. As a result, tires wear out much sooner than expected. You may need to replace tires earlier, increasing costs. Uneven wear can also reduce traction and stability over time. Regular tire maintenance, checking pressure and balancing tires, helps extend tire life and keeps your vehicle driving smoothly. Why the other answers are incorrect? Answer 2. Decrease stopping distance. This is incorrect because low tire pressure actually increases stopping distance. Poor tire condition reduces traction, especially during braking. It takes longer for the vehicle to stop, not less time. Answer 3. Increased fuel economy. This is also incorrect. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance. The engine must work harder to move the vehicle. This results in worse fuel economy, not better. Answer 4. All of the above. This is incorrect because only one of the listed effects is correct. Unbalanced or underinflated tires do not improve braking or fuel efficiency. They mainly cause faster and uneven tire wear. Key rules to remember: check tire pressure regularly, at least once a month. Keep tires inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Balance tires as recommended or if you feel vibration. Proper tire care improves safety, comfort, and saves money. Final answer: faster tire wear. Now let's look the next situation. Left turns. Understanding right-of-way in detail. Making a left turn is not just a basic driving skill. It is a decision-making task that requires awareness, patience, and correct judgment of traffic speed and distance. Many serious collisions happen during left turns because drivers rush or misunderstand who has the right-of-way. The situation explained: you are driving toward an intersection, alley, or driveway and plan to make a left turn. To complete this maneuver, your vehicle must cross one or more lanes of oncoming traffic, the natural path of vehicles traveling straight ahead. Because of this crossing movement, the law places the responsibility entirely on the turning driver. Question: when making a left turn at an intersection or into an alley or driveway, you must yield the right-of-way to Answer 1. All traffic coming from the opposite direction. Answer 2. All traffic coming from the same direction. Answer 3. All traffic to the right of your vehicle. Answer 4. All traffic behind your vehicle. Correct answer: all traffic coming from the opposite direction. Why the law requires this traffic coming from the opposite direction is already established in its lane and is usually traveling straight through the intersection. These vehicles are not required to slow down for you, may be moving faster than they appear. Include cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and emergency vehicles. If you turn left in front of them without yielding, you create a direct collision path, which often results in severe injuries. Common mistakes drivers make. During left turns, many drivers incorrectly believe that oncoming vehicles are far enough away. Other drivers will confirm their turn. Smaller vehicles, like motorcycles, are slower. These assumptions are dangerous. Motorcycles, in particular, are often closer and faster than they appear, leading to misjudgment. Why the other options are wrong. All traffic coming from the same direction, vehicles traveling in the same direction, are either behind you or moving parallel. They do not conflict with your left turn path in the same way as oncoming traffic. All traffic to the right of your vehicle. Yielding to the right applies in specific uncontrolled intersections, not during a standard left turn across opposing lanes. All traffic behind your vehicle, drivers behind you, are expected to slow down when you signal and prepare to turn. You are not legally required to yield to them. Extra safety tips for left turns. Before turning left, always signal early and clearly, slow down smoothly. Check both lanes of oncoming traffic. Look twice for motorcycles and bicycles. Make sure you have enough time and space to complete the turn. If there is any doubt, wait. Waiting a few seconds is always safer than forcing a turn. Exam tip. If a driving test question mentions left turn, oncoming traffic, opposite direction, the correct answer almost always involves yielding. Key rule to remember, left turning traffic must always yield to oncoming traffic going straight. Final answer, all traffic coming from the opposite direction. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.